Let's say you want to grow food from home. Let me show you how. You got two options. You can buy plants in one of these things, or you can buy seeds. And I've actually been doing it halfway wrong for the past year, and I'm going to show you why. Food grade. They grow plants in these. There's a reason for it. Not food grade. Ew, I got to take you out. Get you some basic topsoil from like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever you want. And get you some buckets. They're not that expensive from Home Depot, Walmart, and so on and so forth. Craigslist. Offer up. Put you some dirt in there, put you a plant in there. It's actually that simple. Make sure to water it every couple days. And if it's really hot, every day. But I live in an apartment. I got you. If you got a balcony, you're set. Balconies are meant to take water and run water off. Ask me how I know this. Definitely shouldn't have drank that much that night. But wait, what pot for what? I'm gonna show you. This size right here, great for herbs. This size right here, decent for peppers, like bell peppers and such. But wait, what about the seeds for bell peppers? Ah! I gotcha. Check this out. This right here is me growing seeds from things I actually got in the store. I'm gonna eat it anyway, so why not grab the seeds from it? Yeah. And believe it or not, if you go to Dollar Tree or one of those Dollar Generals or whatnot, you can get like 4 seed packets for $1. It's not like $1.25 like all the new prices. No, it's like $1. Now you can start your seedlings in things like this. Don't mind the washer in the background. These are okay. Make sure to squeeze the sides like before and gently ease things out. Those are about $2 to $3 a pop for those bins I showed you, but like for the whole thing of bins. Just like this. Only the difference is I chose to pay twice as much for this. I just basically rip those things off and throw them into dirt. They're biodegradable. They're made from peat. Not the person, but like, you know, peat moss. Say no to cannibalism. You can do that with bell peppers and tomatoes. But here's what you do with green onions. Boom! We cut it right here, and now it's regrowing back, and we're going to keep cutting it down because, well, food. If you search Craigslist or anywhere else, you can find a lot of these because people want to use these to plant in this. True story. In this bucket, coffee grounds. Why? Because one of these days I'm going to grab it and go woof, over my garden. A little sprinkling actually does help, especially with tomatoes and bell peppers. Not so much with potatoes, though. And herbs. Speaking of, these are seeds for herbs. And these are directions. Follow them. If they say plant for 1/8 of an inch, that just means sprinkle a little bit of dirt on top. Anything that you plant, put water on it. Seeds, I mean. And water everything else too. Because America. See this right here? It cost us maybe a couple bucks. I think about 5. See this grow light right here? Cost us about 50. See this greenhouse right here? Cost us about 100. And those two things right there can grow a crap ton of food. I meant half ton, but crap ton. And in another video, I'm going to show you how to do permaculture. After 2 years, I'll never have to water this again. True story. Except like early season. And even then. Stay tuned. Go to my YouTube. There's more details there. This is a 3-minute video.